What's up, guys? We're just about to head out to the Rhino Custom Detail to go show them how our ShiftPower Throttle response controller works. A demo for them. Super excited. Let's go head out. What's up, guys? Eric from B-Side. Today we're very excited to make a visit with our partner companies over here at Rhino Films and Detailing, located in Huntington Beach. It's one of their re-edition of their facility over here that they just revamped. Very, very cool, very big location, and they are going to be offering our ShiftPower Throttle response controller, where they're going to be able to both install, demonstrate, and also offer the product here in person, and you can also give it a try before you install it as well. Super excited, and I'm gonna go ahead and hand over the mic to Alex, the owner of Rhino Films and Detailing.
Hey guys, this is Alex from Rhino Films and Detailing. I just wanted to give a quick thank you to the team here that just supported us throughout the years. We're very happy to include ShiftPower to our line of services that we offer. Our main product is car care. It has to do with window tinting, clear bra, vinyl wrap, whatever you can think of to make your car as most protected as possible. I felt like this was a perfect addition to our lineup as far as customability and just driver comfort. So I hope to see you guys here soon. We'd love to give you a tour of the shop, and also we'd love to look working forward with both of our clients. All right, well, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Detailing
window
services.
Tinting, distribution or installation center. Let's just make it simple.
Okay.